Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the August Cafe card kit. So the card kit comes out every other month and it always includes 4 sheets of cardstock, 6 card bases and envelopes, and then lots and lots of pattern paper and embellishments. So this month we're featuring Lawn Fawn and their Better Days stamp set. So you'll receive 2 sheets of 8.5 by 11 white cardstock. Your other 2 sheets of cardstock, the colors are going to vary, but you're going to receive 1 sheet of basil cardstock and a sheet of Lawn Fawn textured dot cardstock. So hopefully that shows up, but that's that embossed dot cardstock. I absolutely adore that cardstock. You'll receive 6 pre-scored card bases and 6 envelopes. And then half a pack of paper. This is the All the Dots 6x6 paper pad. So this is one-sided this month, and then you have dots and you have stripes in the whole colors of the rainbow. So we have this turquoise dot and the stripe, and then we have blue dots and stripes, purple. A few of these in the beginning will repeat at the end as well. You get pink, the yellow, kind of a golden yellow, dot and stripe, and then green. And then here you'll see where it kind of repeats for just those few colors, the turquoise, the blue, and the purple. So lots of fun with all of the dots. For your embellishments, again, you're going to receive the Lawn Fawn stamp set. This is Better Days, so it has this adorable little bunny with the heart, and then the sentiments that kind of go together. You can build them to say what you want. I hope you feel better, or better days are ahead. Until then, I'm sending hugs. By hugs, I mean this card. And then we have I love you, sending big hugs. So that's super cute, sweet, thoughtful cards. You're going to get 3 white cardstock tags, 2 yards of Lawn Fawn twine, so that will match, and then some little rhinestones. This is a row of honeybee rhinestones, so it's a whole rainbow of them, so that you can sprinkle those on your cards and embellish. Here's one more look at your August card kit. Be sure to check out all the other items available in the store, all the other kits that we have, and check out the blog for all of the inspiration from the design team and your fellow subscribers. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kits.